Hey friends, if you are planning to launch an e-commerce website using WordPress and WooCommerce, but not intended to use any pre-made WordPress theme, like this is a demo website using Metro WordPress theme, and it is of course a full-featured e-commerce website. But we are going to discuss when you are planning an e-commerce website without any theme. I mean, using the basic features of WordPress core and WooCommerce, how you can proceed. So I have a very good solution through which you can launch your e-commerce website with all the advanced features that you actually need for a pro website, and you can start a fresh custom development of an e-commerce website using WordPress and WooCommerce in addition to the resource that I am going to show. So I am going to discuss ShopEngine, which is a fully customizable product page of WooCommerce single page customizer, or you can say the complete lightweight suite for WooCommerce solution for Elementor and Gutenberg with blazing fast loading speed. So packed with WooCommerce Builder, product comparison, wish list, variation swatches, pre-order, quick checkout, and more. So this is the solution that we are going to discuss in this video in a very quick manner. Let us overview the features and modules that we can uh, get with this shop engine, and this is a solution for custom development of e-commerce. So if you are using a pre-made theme that we are discussing on this channel mainly, so we have already overviewed hundreds of WordPress themes on this channel, and if you want to compare great WordPress theme and resources, I'm sure you are watching the videos and you can compare the themes and plugins on this channel itself, and you may even subscribe this channel and even uh, hype this video as well. So let us first discuss about the modules which can be availed through the shop engine. So it is a back order feature. So it offers back order features, out of stock product management features, this is called back order, flash sale countdown, so create urgency to boost timely sales. So all these features we have discussed separately on this channel itself. So like boosting and the upselling techniques that we have already discussed. But all these techniques, all these modules can be availed only at Shop Engine in a single solution format, and you can enable and disable the things that you need for your e-commerce website. So the flash save countdown, similarly we have product comparison options, quick view options, additional checkout fields, and the basis, the partial payment options, so product wish list, sales notification, currency feature, pre-order, quick checkout, and the variation swatches, product site charts, sticky fly cart, vacations, multi-step checkout, advanced coupon, cross-sell pop-up, and even avatar. So you might be thinking why I'm reading this screen. Just to let you know, we have everything with the shop engine, and this is not a promotional video. This is not a sponsored video. We are just discussing the things that we can get with the shop engine. It is totally your choice how you want to proceed, and I'm going to show you inside of this shop engine so that you may be very clear uh, how it is helpful for you if you are planning a custom e-commerce website with an WooCommerce solution, right? So this variation swatches and all such things can be availed through shop engine, and you can watch this specific video that is available officially on the official website of shop engine. I'm not going to repeat the things that is already available in this video itself. So there are already thousands of downloads for the shop engine and 50,000 active installs. It is clearly mentioned here. So with the WooCommerce builder that is available with the shop engine, you can create shop pages, custom shop pages, of course, and you can develop astonishing shop pages to make your site more compelling to shop with. Similarly, we have cart page builder, checkout page builder, my account page builder, success page builder, and quick checkout builder for the quick view builder. So you can watch the videos. So as I'm changing the links, different videos are here. You can go through these videos. So as I said, I'm not going to repeat the things. And the most important thing, the shop engine is compatible with Elementor and Gutenberg. Whether you are using the Gutenberg basic that comes with WordPress default, you can go with the shop engine. And if you are willing to use the shop engine with the Elementor, it works with both. So shop engine works with both Elementor and the default Gutenberg editor. Choose whichever you prefer, right? Advanced modules will take your shop to the next levels, like variation choices, the partial payment options, product pre-order, and the sales pop-up notifications, and all the relevant videos you can check, and the details are already here. So now I'm taking you to the backend of a fresh and core installation of WordPress. So this is a press website that is not using, it is not using any WordPress theme. Yes, sorry, the default 2025 WordPress theme is here, and I have already installed the shop engine that you can, for testing purposes, you can go with the free version. Like here you can download the shop engine. uh, if you are using the Gutenberg, this is the link, and if for Elementor, you can download and install. So I have already installed the shop engine for Gutenberg. I'll show you the backend. So this is the backend, and what I have installed in this press installation. So WooCommerce is of course here. So first of all, I'll show you the plugin screen that is more, that is going to clear more, right? So blocks for shop engine that I downloaded free through the link. So this is the link, and further shop engine core. So once I installed this plugin, so there was a notification that I need to install Shop Engine and WooCommerce. So all three plugins have been installed that is required for using the Shop Engine. So of course, WooCommerce is here. We are creating an e-commerce website using WooCommerce Shop Engine and the blocks for Shop Engine. So this is the free version of Shop Engine. So this plugin is for me, not for you. So this is a very clear and fresh installation. No other plugin is being used. Now coming to the a screen where we can start of shop engine. So this is shop engine, and the getting started page, we have first option is configuration, sign up, the website power up, tutorial, surprise, and final. Okay, right? So these are modules that we can enable, like quick view and the product comparison, swatches, and the wish list is available for free. Test modules are available in the pro, but yes, we can enable the widgets like single product page or the archive pages, and you can select the respective widgets that is available, and the cart page, cart table, cart total, and the cross sell, return to shop. So this is available for free. You can enable these things. And the checkout page. So these are the options. In the general, advanced search are here, the D products and the filterable product list and the product category list is here. And on the next step, we can simply. So first, I'll complete the configuration. So I'll choose the advanced one. However, the recommended is the basic one that will enable or activate the general widgets to build your website. But just to show you, I'm choosing the advanced one, and we may proceed for the next level. I mean, all the selection should be done, and the widgets, it can be done later as well, but yes, for the time being, I have selected the basic things and with the advanced setup. So we can go to the next step. At the next step, we need to sign up with the Shop Engine. Welcome to the world of Shop Engine. So we need to put our email ID here. For testing purpose, I am using an email. And now the next step is website power up. Do more with your WordPress site. So this is the thing what we can choose additionally, like get Genin is here, play 2500 AI words, the elements kit and Medform email kit. So it is not like necessary. You can opt to choose if you are planning to use any of these things, but we are not going to choose anything here. We are going with the basic things and targeting a custom development platform, right? So we can go to the next step and watch how to use the top widgets. Save 1 hour of your learning time, right? So you can watch this video share non-sensitive diagnostic data. So it is totally up to you if you want to share the data. On the next step, we have upgrade options. So upgrade within the next 2 hours and get 20% discount. This is just a promo. So we can go to the next step, and it is saying congratulations. Let us dive into the developing your website with the world's best add-on for Elementor. Okay, save changes. So however, we are not using the Elementor, but yes, we can save the changes. And the ShopEngine is now onboarded. Completely installed. Most complete WooCommerce solution, lightweight suite for complete WooCommerce solution for Elementor with plugin that is fine. So these are all our introduction. So now here we have the options. In the free version, we have 47 plus widgets, modules, 4 plus templates, and in the pro version, there are many. So now we can go to the builder templates, and we can use the add new templates since we are using the free version. So this is the builder templates and new template like template settings. So you can choose which template you want to use. Like if you are choosing this one, so you can check the live demo as well. So this is the demo link. It is totally configurable. So this is the demo, and you can choose what you want to have at your website and use with Gutenberg, save changes. So we are using the Gutenberg options. So the one template is to be active when you are starting. So by default, the status is inactive. You can simply activate the status and you can start editing with Gutenberg. So the select a product. So since edit the template design and we don't have any product as of now, so we can create a new product here and edit and continue it with the Gutenberg. So but I'm not showing and creating a product. I'm just intended to show you the screens that you can use with the ShopEngine free version. So this is the template, and you can add unlimited templates as you need. So this is the template, and you can save the changes with the product, and it is totally up to you how you want to use. So with the live products, you can use the templates. And next is the modules that I have already shown you, but yes, it is here again. So you can enable the things like quick view. You can, if it is enabled, you can enable the module, and with the pro version, all these modules will be active. So just save the changes. Next is the widgets that we can use like advanced search, deal products, the filterable search, product category list, and all. Further, on the single product description page, we have product descriptions and the add to cart options. We can enable these 3 features, breadcrumbs as required. So upsell option is also here. It is available for free, and related products and the ratings, notice, all can be available for free. On the archive pages, we have the archive descriptions, archive products, and all these widgets. On the cart page, we have the cart table, the cart total, cross sell. So we are not using any theme, just remember. So we are enabling the features that is going to be visible on the product pages or the relevant pages of e-commerce website, right? Like checkout page can have the form, coupon, the checkout form, additional fields, and the checkout form, billings, and all. And in the my account, so all the pro version, pro options are here, and other pages is also having only pro options. Okay, and in case if you need any support, so you can go for the support center. However, in the free version, I am not sure how support is available. So update and fix important messages and situations, that is fine. You can go for tutorials, documentation, and the public roadmap. Now, the thing is that we can start creating a custom e-commerce website using the ShopEngine. So this can be a very good choice when you are planning to have a custom developed website with all the advanced features. And if you are willing to know the price, if you are willing to switch on the pro version, it is not so reasonable. However, without using any theme, you can have a single uh, website authentication. I mean, for a single website, you need to spend $59. One site, 70 widgets, and all these things. If five site, or if you are agency, you can go for five sites or unlimited. So these are the pricing plans. Now, uh, let me show you the if the pro version is installed, what is coming additional. Okay, so I have installed the ShopEngine Pro and I'm using the latest version. And if we check the modules area and the ShopEngine, the license is active here. Just to show you the screen, and this is the screen where we can activate the license with the Pro version. So you get the installation package when you will buy the package through the video description link. Okay, so now if we are checking again the add new template options, it is same. So we can go with the templates. Some new templates can be here, and okay. And if we are checking the modules, I can enable the Pro features now. So earlier it was disabled, but now I can simply enable these features with the Pro version. So it is working, and I can use all the Pro features that is available with the Pro version, like best selling products. So this module can be enabled. And if I am disabling the Pro features, so I'll show you again just to make you sure. So I'm deactivating the modules. I mean the Pro one, and this is a screen again, but now it is not available for activation. Like, go to the premium. It is very simple. It is very clear, and you can easily understand. With the Pro version, all these things are available, but with the free version, only limited things are available. But yes, I would recommend to go with the free one with the when you are just going to start and complete your website. Don't uh, think that you'll get the Pro features and it is going to help you uh, in completing your website. Once you complete your website, you and if you need the Pro features, you can go with the Pro one. But yes, in the free version also, you have the enough modules that you can use for a custom e-commerce website using WordPress. So I believe this is a complete solution, and it is a lightweight solution. This is mainly important. So if your e-commerce website is not loading fast, it is not going to bring any business. Like, very minimal business you can have. But if a fast loading website, especially with the e-commerce solution, it is going to grow your business, and you can scale your business up to a level that you actually planned. So in the next video, I'm coming with the more solutions for your WordPress website. And if you want to see, if you want to watch how completely we can use the ShopEngine for a custom WooCommerce website, let me know in the comment section. And even you can start a chat with a mentor here on the iCreate program. I believe you know about this program. This is a very interactive program for WordPress website, and it is absolutely free to chat, get support, get discussions, and get advice, consulting, and all. So you can use this platform, and let us meet in the next video with more solutions for stunning WordPress websites. Thanks for watching. Keep building.